The Verve card and the Surge card are built for bad credit, but both can get expensive fast because of annual fees, monthly fees, and high APRs. That's the real difference you need to understand before applying. By the end of this, you'll know which card is easier to qualify for, which one costs less, and which one makes more sense if your goal is rebuilding credit. Here's the short answer. If your goal is just approval and reporting to the major credit bureaus, both can work. But the better option usually comes down to whichever gives you lower fees and a higher starting credit limit. Start with the fees. Both cards often charge an annual fee right from year one start. That fee cuts into your available credit immediately. For example, if you're approved for a $300 limit and a fee gets charged up front, your usable credit can drop fast. That matters because high utilization can hurt your score. Both cards may also charge monthly maintenance fees after the first year. That means your total cost can keep climbing even if you barely use the card. Now look at approvals. The Verve card is usually marketed to people with poor or limited credit history. The Surge card targets the same group. That means neither card is really better for getting approved. The lender's pre-qualification offer matters more. Always check that first. Now, the credit building side. Both cards report to all three major credit bureaus. That's the main reason people use them. If you keep your balance under 30% of your limit and pay on time every month, either card can help rebuild credit over time. The card itself doesn't build credit. Your behavior does. Now the real problem. Neither card gives strong rewards or premium perks. These are survival cards. They're meant to get you back into the credit system. That means your goal should be temporary use, not long-term use. Here's the decision. Pick Verve if the offer shows lower upfront fees or a better starting limit. Pick Surge if the terms are cheaper or the approval odds look stronger in your pre-qualification. Don't pick either without comparing the full fee schedule first. Quick recap. Haul. Both help rebuild credit. Both can get expensive. The better card is the one with fewer fees and more available credit. Before you apply, compare the Schumer box, check all fees, and make a plan to upgrade to a better card within 12 months. If this saved you from an expensive mistake, hit like and subscribe for more no-fluff credit card comparisons.